In this video, I'm going to show you the rock solid strategy on how to come up with new original business ideas. Stick around. By the way, if you want the system that we're covering in this video as a free checklist, grab the link in the description. You can have a PDF of everything we talked about. Today, I want to talk about a common struggle that I've seen and something I deal with a lot, which is how do you come up with new ideas? For this YouTube channel, for instance, I'm doing 3 videos a week. Subscribe, by the way, get in there. And so that requires a lot of ideas, but I'm also running Whoa Hello, the fashion company, and that requires new fashion ideas. I make movies, that requires new script ideas. I write music, that requires new song ideas. And that's not even counting all the business stuff, how to optimize our strategies for the digital agency, how to get more clients for the Shopify apps that we run, how to optimize real estate, how I'm doing my investments in the market. Like everything here requires a massive amount of innovation and a massive amount of new ideas. And you can't simply learn it from a course, because courses are okay for inspiring new ideas, but at least I've never had success taking something whole cloth from a course, implementing it in my life and seeing it work. I've always had to modify it a little bit to fit my situation. And that's actually exactly what I recommend with courses. So if you can't learn everything you need to know from courses, how do you come up with original ideas? Well, let's talk about it. In today's video, I want to go through how to come up with new ideas, a guide. And it's a very simple process that uses the subconscious mind. Step 1, make a to-do list the night before. I've been doing this for years, but what this specific to-do list is, almost a wish list for your subconscious. You write down what you're looking for. So for instance, if I've got YouTube videos to plan on Thursday is usually the day I plan videos. On Wednesday night, I'll write plan for videos. Monday, Wednesday, to separate the type of videos that I'm doing. Monday videos, Wednesday videos, all that. That's on the list. Now, step 2, find a couple examples. I'll write down that I need 4 YouTube videos. Then I'll think about it and try to come up with at least 1 or 2 YouTube videos the night before. And I'll write them down. Whether I use them or not is irrelevant for right now. The most important thing is getting the ideas out of your head the night before. Then, number 3, go to sleep. You conk out, you dream. You let the body release its natural DMT. Then you wake up the next morning. This isn't part of the process. You wake up the next morning, you do your normal stuff. Then the next part in the process is do something else. If you're inspired, if you wake up and you're inspired and you got all these ideas, definitely write all those ideas down. But if you don't, then go work on something else. Don't force yourself to come up with 4 to 12 ideas right on the spot after waking up. Go do some other work, distract yourself for a while. And what I find is while I'm distracting myself, the other ideas will start popping up subconsciously. And what I found is while I'm distracting myself, typically when I'm working on another business, the ideas for another project that I've been asking for will start appearing. And at that point, you need to write those ideas down. I want to keep working on that main project, but I've found that if you don't write those ideas down as they come, you lose them. And then you're starting over. Then you're starting over again, or you're half remembering those ideas an hour later and they're always worse. And that's the simple process to get as many original ideas as you need. Write down what type of idea you're looking for. Come up with a couple of those ideas on the spot, even if it's tough. Go to sleep, do something else, write down the ideas when they come to you. And you'll have an unlimited swarm, a locust's swarm of ideas eating the crops of your mind. I've done this for Whoa Hello to come up with design ideas. I've done this for business. It's easy. It's easy, bro. Don't tell me you're out of ideas. Don't tell me you got no ideas. You ask the universe for the ideas, and the universe provides. The universe being your very real biological system that is the subconscious and consciousness. You know, see, there we go. I spun it for the religious. You know, maybe God gives you the idea. And I've spun it for the atheists. Biology gives you the idea. Either way, it doesn't matter what your religious beliefs are. This is the way to get ideas. You've heard that it's important to test your cold email subject lines to get an 80% open rate. And we've been able to achieve that pretty consistently for our clients selling into the top companies, billion-dollar brands. So how do we do that? The trick is to test a new subject line every 10 emails. The hardest part for us was coming up with these subject lines. But lucky for you, we have 50 plus subject lines in a Google Doc that you can test with your cold email campaigns. And best part, you can have that for free. To get this list of 50 plus email subject lines, go over to experiment27.com/subject. Again, that's experiment27.com/subject. Subscribe for more content like this. I am Alex Berman, and I will see you later.